everyone, I'm Jamie Farkan. Welcome to another vlog. We are in Portugal. I am here with my friends Kat and Stephanie, and our time in Lisbon is over, and today we are actually heading over to Porto, which is 3 hours away by train. So we're at the station right now. The train is unlocked, so you can push the button and like open the door and go in. However, we're not supposed to do that right now, and the guards are going up and down and yelling at us, but it's fine. We booked first class tickets. She's like hiding. So we're settled in and seated. It is 1:43 and the train leaves at 2. But outside it says 1:20 and we're supposed to be on the 1:33. So I hope this is the right car. So hopefully we just don't move before departure time. Oh, they're making up. They fight, they make up. It's what they do. What are you guys doing? By the way, the Dodgers won the NLCS last night. Oh my gosh. The game started at 1:48 a.m. here in Portugal, and I was just like checking updates on game day like as much as I could until I finally crashed. I crashed and burned, and when I woke up I was like, okay, I'm gonna look at the text messages, but like, you know, we were ahead. Otani was having a great night and we won, and we're going to the World Series. I'm so excited, and I'm also excited that the World Series starts when I get back to the States, so I will be able to watch it at a normal hour. It's 2 o'clock on the dot and we are moving and headed to Porto. Like they did change it. We made it to Porto. The train was like smooth sailing. I felt like it was really nice, and there was a trolley, but we didn't really get it. Did you get snacks? Kat said, should we stop at Porto's? I'm like, wait, is there a Porto's in Porto? I would love that. Hello, welcome to our Porto apartment. It's on the 3rd floor, but this building has elevators, so at least our luggage was easy to carry up. And now there are 3 bedrooms, and they're inspecting and trying to pick which rooms they want. I think that's what you're doing. Is that what you're doing? All the balconies are being opened because it's hot in here. If no one has I wanted this one. If you do, you want the? Because that one has a desk.
Oh, okay. Ah, I have no preference.
This is my room. Every room has a balcony, which is fun. Hello. And then here are the doors, and you push it, and this is like a handle to pull it. I've never seen a door like that. We are at Conga for dinner. And it's so cute, the glass they gave. This is wine, but she got the stout, and Stephanie got the blonde. Cheers for the vlog. Whoa, jiggle it. And shoe. This is really good.
It is actually pretty good.
Guys.
I do like regular weddings.
Porto's hottest club on a Saturday night is Congo. Oh my gosh, it is packed. The line is around the corner now. When we got here, the shade for this was down, so I think we got here right before the dining room opened. Oh, it was very good. Portuguese sausage. I get it. Yum. Spicy. Pig blood. She ordered pig blood.
No.
She didn't know.
Did not know.
Let's share one.
Share one?
You said that yesterday. Pastel de nata for dessert.
Ooh. Yep, that's my favorite. different. They're all different.
Wait, this is better than pastel de Belém?
I think so.
It's more,
It's hot.
it's sweeter. Oh, it is warm. It's served warm
Less eggy.
and
Less eggy, more sweet.
more cinnamon.
Yeah, more soft, like softer, less gelatinous maybe.
Pingo Doce. What is this and why don't we have it?
Já conhece as novas fraldas Comfort and Dry da Cuida Bebê, agora com uma nova tecnologia.
See this one? That one did catch my eye. Yeah, it's $129. Okay.
So also like more of this guy.
I'm having flashbacks to my first apartment in New York because I lived in the 4th floor walk-up. What?
Someone's in here.
Why?
Was it you? And I was like, none of we're closing the door. Ooh, who's sitting with me tonight?
Those are the birthday roses. I put it on a towel so that, so earlier, now she's like happy. But earlier when I forgot my jacket,
My heart stopped because I was like, how did someone get in without telling us? It was just Maria because Maria was not okay.
it was Stephanie's idea.
Okay,
Mastermind. Okay, I was so like flustered and in a rush that I didn't think it looked cute, and I'm like, all right,
cute.
okay, great. So after Pastel de Nata, we went to the grocery store, and honestly, if you want to practice like your language like in the foreign country, go to a grocery store, right? Because it's like they have no obligation to translate anything to you in English. But here's the haul. I got this wine. Totally chose it because it had a butterfly. I thought the label was pretty, but it's a Vino Verde. I got juice, laranja juice, orange juice. I got a Kit Kat to try what they taste like in Portugal. And I got an abacaxi pineapple. And the cashier actually like asked me if I wanted to peel it. Well, she asked me something and then I just said yes. And she took out the crown of the pineapple. But I got this. I wanted to get pineapple because it's one of the fruits that they use in Duolingo. And so I'm not sure if it's like a popular fruit in Brazil or in Portugal, but I don't know. I know the word, so I bought the fruit.
I didn't think I closed it. So I was like, oh my gosh, someone gonna be in there when I put it open. There's murder in the house. You want us to leave the money out.
This shelf should not be here because it hits this when you close it. So we will just put you here. Good morning from the Douro Valley. We got picked up from our apartment in Porto this morning around 8, and it's about an hour 15 to drive here. Today's itinerary is a winery tour with Oporto road trips. We are starting the day with some breakfast, which is good because we're going to wineries and food is needed. Chorizo and an egg donut. The warmth made a difference yesterday. This one feels bigger. I don't know about you. We are specifically right now in the town of Peasant de Regua, which literally translates to weight of the ruler, not like king and queen ruler, but like ruler to measure. So like, so it's a funny name. We're walking over a bridge right now, and we're just approaching the water. Conrad, I found infinity. We're going to sniff inside the barrel. I don't know what to say. What?
I think she did that one yesterday.
This is 2 of 3. Water is 4th. I don't know if we're doing these. We're trying to guess how many corks are in this. 7,000. What did you say?
7,000.
In addition to wine, there's also olive trees here. The olive harvest is right after the grape harvest, and the grape harvest just happened. It finished last month, and now it's time. These are ready to go. Oh my God, you look so cute! She was like, and then immediately clammed up.
Oh, perfect.
We're at lunch now, and this is number 3, but a full glass. Wait, no, 4.
Honey on it.
And? Picante?
Not the bomb.
So the options for dessert were flan, pumpkin cake, or more wine. Lunch was delicious. When we started the tour, he said, it's not gonna be fancy, it's gonna be authentic. And it was delicious. I loved it. Jacket is on because we're about to go on a river cruise. Hand tricks, don't quit, how it's done, done, done. We're on a boat.
What about back here?
It has begun to rain. But we have our 100 tabs. Hydration. So we are on the Douro River, and it's beautiful. It's like sprinkling, but the weather is so nice. And like, I'm really glad because it was kind of cold when we left our apartment in Porto. But here, because we're in a valley, it is warmer and it feels just right. Even though it's like drizzling, sprinkling, whatever. We got this. We were sailing towards the direction of Spain, and now we're turning around and check out these guys who are rowing, canoeing towards us. Started raining again, and it's like blowing this way.
They have entire forests of cork trees. That's where the real money is. It's our biggest industry in Portugal, cork.
Directly from the tree. It is.
This is a piece of cork.
It's not so bad. So is this about the size of the...
Hello and welcome to our wonderful winery. I am Pedro and I'm going to be your tour guide for the next hour or so. If you don't like my jokes, you can leave. Do you actually know what Beijo means? My friends, Beijo means kiss. And you came to the Kiss Winery. This is...
Okay, Jamie.
Obrigada. This is number 6.
Kills one offender.
Oh, I can
Yes,
smell
number
it.
7.
This is sweeter than the typical rosé.
Shitty rosé. It's raining.
The stone tanks, the place where we still do the foot stomping of our grapes. My friends, inside these stone tanks we put the grapes to the top of our knees. You're standing to right beside our oldest barrel. 177 years of history. Wow. 1, 2, 3.
Anota. This is number 9. Port wine.
That's my favorite.
Number 10.
That's why I can endure all the
Canada. To you, Canada. Okay, never mind.
Tell me, who here is ready to go inside a wine barrel?
Me! These two.
Good?
Go ahead. Wait, Jamie, give me the camera.
Maybe take off your bag, otherwise it might not go in. Maybe take off the bag. Oh, there you go.
Just
We are inside.
There's a slide. There's a slide.
Whoa!
It's huge.
Abby.
Thank you.
This winery is a family business, and here are pacifiers from the whole family. Cat got some chips. So the options are peasant chips and ketchup chips. I forgot my microphone, but we are sobered up from the tour, which is great. And then we chilled at the apartment, had some chips, watched a little TV, and now we're out for dinner at Casa Guedes, which was on everyone's recommendation list, and we're gonna have dinner. Good morning, it's day 6 in Portugal. It's our first full day in Porto, so we are gonna do like a walking tour. Yesterday we had our tour at Douro Valley, which was a lot of fun, and like Porto road trips really took care of us, and I think that like the vibes were like different at both wineries. So the first one was a little more formal, like, you know, the tasting was like we're sitting down, you had like a whole thing going on, lunch was delicious, and then the last winery, or the last Quinta, I should say, was super fun. Like, he was such a character, right? They're here. Do you have a favorite moment you'd like to share from the vlog?
We got to go inside a keg, which was cool.
The corks were cool. I really like the corks. Seeing like how corks like look from the tree, like, I don't know, I just never thought of it, and then I learned it here, and then I got to see it here, so that was really cool. Today we're at our sightseeing pace. We're doing a Rick Steves walking tour, but first we're getting some breakfast here at Cafe Negra, and we'll see you in a bit. Oh, and then TBD, but there was a little drama with the Airbnb, so we'll update you when we have updates.
You can still share.
I know, but I shouldn't have ordered these. Whoa. We've ordered a lot of food again. It wasn't satisfying. Sorry.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Jamie's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Hit that button.
Was that the best day to Nata?
Yep. Ready?
Clink.
Clink.
Flaky. Not warm. But good. What's a Ben?
Crust just a little bit too hard on mine. Otherwise, that might have been number one. That was really good. My favorite.
So post-breakfast, we're heading to Mercado de Bolhão, and when we left the apartment, it looked like it wasn't gonna rain, but it has started raining. Cute. I'm sorry, what? I feel like it looks like a perfume shop, not an olive oil stand. Yeah. Olive oil. The sun is back out. We tried walking through this like construction detour right here, but it is drizzling. I am very much not dressed properly for the day, but whatever. And I'm also in my Tivas, so like I slipped on the metal. I went all the time in Lisbon with the rocks, and I was fine, and then I slipped on this. We have arrived at the Imperial McDonald's, which apparently is a fancy McDonald's. Did you know such a thing existed? It's just fancier. We're here at the University of Porto, and like it's giving Hogwarts, like the uniform. I mean, it's just, they have cloaks over their uniforms. There's some sort of rally, something going on, and there's people here. This group is dressed in green, and there's a group there dressed in yellow, like Hufflepuff yellow. Oh, is that a griffin? And is that a door? Oh my gosh, there's the red one. They're blue, the Ravenclaws. So this is it's two churches. Discover the hidden house. There's a house. This is a house right here in between these two buildings. It's giving Grimmauld Place. We are taking advantage of this momentary sunshine and no rain, drying off, having a drink at Base, which is a rooftop bar. It's just like one level up, but cheers! Today's ticketed activity is the Occultus escape room. We're gonna investiga, pensa, and escapa. So we went back to the apartment. I'm happy to announce that we did escape with 1 minute and 10 seconds left to spare. It was a cool room. It was very physical, as they warned us, without giving spoilers. You had to crawl, you had to climb. It was cool, and the finale was fun, especially because once you get out of the room, you have to like race to the finish line. Props to these kids for solving the escape room puzzles. We're finishing these chips. These are really good. They taste like ketchup chips. What you want? We're trying the chocolates from the first apartment.
Chocolate's dark chocolate, I think.
Yes.
Intense dark chocolate.
Okay. The rose is the dark chocolate. Whatever this one is, oh my gosh, no bueno.
Made us all gag.
Oh, the raspberry one's good. The milk chocolate is okay. And this one is a dark chocolate, I think. Oh, chocolate, sorry, I've been biting it.
No, it's fine. We're sick, we're all sick. We go down together. One chip. Or
that tastes like... Ooh, maybe we should have another shot.
yeah.
This tastes like the chocolate cup.
Shots. Shots.
Ginger, we gotta finish the ginger shots.
Shots.
Let's finish the ginger shot. Everybody. Okay, cheers to the camera. Cheers to the gingers. Oh my god, that tastes exactly like a chocolate.
Yeah.
Hey. We finished a bottle of wine. Oh, very nice. Escama. So we took a boat here to Escama for dinner. This is a recommendation by our tour guide. Dessert at Castro, which was another highly recommended Pasta de Nata place. Good morning, it's day 7. It rained a little bit this morning, but it's actually cleared up right now, which was nice. So the walk over here was dry for us. I do have my umbrella, I do have my coat, so I'm more prepared today. But we started the morning at Majestic Cafe, had some tea, some coffee, and French toast, which was delicious, but it is a bit pricier than other cafes that we've been to. And then now we are at I'm going to say it wrong. Livraria Lello. It's a famous bookshop, and we're excited to see the interior. It is 10 euros to go inside, but if we purchase a book, then those 10 euros can go towards the book. It's right around the corner from the University of Porto, which we were at yesterday. And yeah, it's we're going to hit some magical spots today. Our tickets are for 10 a.m. It's about 9:50 right now, so the last of the 9:45 group is going in, and here's our queue for 10 a.m. I think the earliest was 9, so we're still pretty early. We were the first ones in the Majestic Cafe, and then it got really busy as soon as we left, so it's good to start early. Okay. Something happened.
A little bit of bird poo. Nothing a shout can't fix.
Whatever. It happens. Cat has wet wipes, and then I brought a shout wipe miraculously in my purse. We're in! Whoa! Going up the stairs. Sightsee first, shop for book later. Okay, it's very crowded. But it's pretty. Benny Blanco? Oh. My bad, it's Bob Dylan. Wow, these are cool. Oh, I'm like, was there a reflection? Oh, we're causing the traffic jam. Like, chaotic. Oh my god. Okay, we made it. Ooh, this is under the stairs. It's cute. That's cute. Are we all going? Come here, cat. There's plenty of room. Oh my gosh. We are those girls under the stairs. Oh my god, I'm really.
Grab it.
So cool. He totally kicked it. Okay. We're under the staircase. It actually feels quite safe here.
It's a little like hotter under here though.
Yeah, but there's like no people.
How much room there is. Yeah. It's so spacious. I can see where.
Okay, we did it. So our tickets were for 10 a.m. and we got out at 10:37. That was probably the most stressful book buying experience, but the library is beautiful. So I did buy a book. Waking up. Culture, like influence, it's so funny, right? Because like we're here and it's a shop that sells brooms and it's a sight to see because of a book. This is the Bento train station, but we're not here to take a train. We're here to check out this inside and see all of the beautiful tile. This is Louis the First Bridge, and apparently same architect as the Eiffel Tower. BT dub. My tour guide Stephanie just told me. Okay, so we left the river just in time and we made it to Palacio da Bolsa, which is the stock exchange, to buy tickets for an hour from now. So it is pouring rain. Not pouring rain, it's like raining, but it's not like raining super hard, but it's just raining a lot. And we're across from the stock exchange at the Rabela Market, which is another like indoor market, but more like flea market, like jewelry and stuff. But they have a bar, so we got some vino verde, and there's someone singing live music right now. So it's a vibe, and we're gonna be here for the next 40 minutes.
No, that was the Beatles one.
No, no.
All right, well, we're back at the train station. We've checked out of our Airbnb after, attempts to tell them that there was a crack in their ceiling. I don't know, but it was fine. We ended up resolving what we could, and now we're going back to Lisbon for half a day and then back onto home. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We're gonna end it here and then we'll start another one for the last day in the travel day. We've had a marvelous time in Porto. I would love to come back when the sun is like out.